In this video, I will show you how to make a drop-down menu on Shopify. Let's get started. So let's first view what our store looks like. So as you can see in my store, I have these 3 menus right here and they're actually not drop-down. If I want to make a drop-down menu, what I can do is I can head over in here on my Shopify. And then from in here, head over to the navigation. And in here, you can see your menus that you have. So here's our main menu, so let's click on it. And then in here, you can see the menu items. So what you can do is you can head over and click on this add menu item, and then just look for the specific page that you want added. So for this one example, let's add in here contact. And then what you can do is you can see these dots just beside the name. Just grab that and then move that where you want to put it. So for example, let's put it below the catalog, and then let's swipe to the right until we achieve that thing. And now you can see this one, which is, it is actually categories now as a sub menu. So if you want to add another menu, just click on this add right here, and then let's add some more collections or some more things that we have. So let's add this gadgets, and let's also add some few more things that we have added for this one. Now we have this tree. So if you're satisfied with that, just click on save. Now what you can do next is let's preview what it will look like on our actual page. So let's try to reload this. And then you can hover over to this catalog, but sometimes it will take some time for the specific drop-down menu to appear. So just continue refreshing your page until you can see this drop-down menu appear. Now, once you have seen this arrow button, when you click on it, you can now have this drop-down menu and you can head over to that specific page, which is on the drop-down menu of your actual video. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.